Wondering how you can get cute coils with your straight extension? In this tutorial, you will learn how you can transform that straight extension into a cute coily braided hairstyle. And the good part is you don't even need expensive products to do this. You just need your straight extension, your rollers, or anything you can actually roll the extension on, rubber band to secure it, or pin. This is easy and you don't even have to go to the salon for this. You can do this yourself after braiding your hair. So the braiding process, you have to braid and leave the tip of the hair. Either you braid to the middle depending on how long you want your coils to be. When you're done with your knotless braid, you're going to pack all the heads together. Use your comb, a big comb, to comb out the rough part of the extension so that it will be smooth for you to roll. Then afterwards, if you want to trim out the excess, maybe you want it to be shorter than the length you left out, you can just trim. Please, if you're trimming, don't trim it like you're cutting it at the tip. No, so it doesn't have a blunt tip. You just have to cut side by side, just a little slicing by the side. Then afterwards, get your small rollers and start rolling. When you roll, you secure it either with a pin depending on what you're using, but if you're using a stick for this rolling method or a straw, then you have to use your rubber band to secure it so it doesn't loosen. Then get your hot water. Please, this water has to be hot. You can add your conditioner to the water or not. Then dip it in the hot water, allow it to air dry a little bit. After towel drying, then you take out the rollers or whatever you use to achieve this coil, trim out the excesses and pack your hair. This is cute. You will love this hairstyle. This hairstyle is lightweight. You won't even feel like you're wearing anything. So guys, what do you think about this hairstyle? Let me hear your thoughts in the comment section. Will you be trying this out? Like this video, share to your friends and family, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Thank you.